Alright guys, so I did paint the gas tank, but I barely had any spray paint, just enough to get like maybe 2 coats on it, but like I don't really like how it like I would have wanted one more coat. I don't like how it turned out, and I think there might be a few runs. I'm not sure. Just because I was worried about running out, and I wanted to make sure that it was covered, and so yeah, I gotta get another thing of red or something because I don't think I have any more red at all, except for the spray gun. So either I get another spray can and just finish it, or just mix up something in the spray gun. But it is wet out. It was raining and it might have stopped now, or it might just be scattered showers. But another crappy weekend. So. And then I put this together, so I could have it ready for sandblasting. As soon as the rain goes away, I'll hopefully be able to get out there and do something. So bolted it all together. There's no pistons in it. It's over here, so there's still one rod in it, and then there's the other piston stuff. So bolted it all together though, so that nothing could possibly get in there. I gotta tape this off right here because I don't want to paint that, and tape these little stickers off because might as well keep those. And I already put some paper in those ports for the carburetor and in that, and I gotta do something about this because that's broken. And then I gotta make a plate for the bottom here, and I'll probably just do that out of, well, either cardboard or I'll put it back on this thing, which I might just do that probably. And yeah, so I'll probably put that back on there, and then maybe even the lower unit back on that, just for painting purposes. Probably is what I'm gonna do. So I'm start taking out all the parts right now that I'm gonna be painting and, well, sandblasting. That's gonna get painted, and then I'm probably gonna have to do the same thing with the cover that I did to that one over there. But well, let's get started and see what I gotta do. Alright guys, so it's time to move on to the other boat motor now and start getting it ready. So I already started taping it all off and getting it ready. So here are the ready parts right here. I just put some plastic in there so it wouldn't get in anywhere I didn't want it. And got the handle covered up there. And I got the motor all covered up. Actually, I think I already showed you guys this. But I got the crankshaft covered up. And here are the clamps. I'm just gonna fully paint them because there's some green showing. So I'm just gonna paint all of that now because I didn't do that on the other motor, but I'm gonna do it on this one. So these are ready, and I'm gonna paint all that. And then I put this together because that's gonna be the easiest way to do it without getting it on the inside. So I got that. So the lower units, covered, and that's covered. I made sure to cover the exhaust hole too. And now I'm trying to decide how I want to do this. Because I definitely want to do this, but it unbolts. Right, there's a bolt right there, and then 2 on the sides, and you can see there's a seal right here. So I don't know. I'm definitely gonna sandblast this outer shell, but probably touch up the inner one. So definitely gotta take the fuel thing off, the kill switch, the choke, and I don't know, a few ground wires. Like this one's gonna need to be replaced. So I'll have to make a new one for that when I put it back together. And I'm gonna have to fix up some wiring because this ignition coil is broken right here, if you guys remember. And also for my fuel line, the nip was broken off of that, so I'll have to make something for that. And also for the lower unit, I got the one bearing right before the shifter out, and that was the bad bearing. So that's the drive shaft bearing. I got the other one in there soaking, but the drive shaft bearing wasn't as bad. This one was really bad, and that's what was causing it to lock up. But, you know, it's best to just replace them both. But I got the drive shaft bearing. I just couldn't find that one. So, hoping that the penetrating oil frees it up some. I'll keep looking for a new one, but that's the best I can do for now. And as far as this goes, I'm gonna need I'll probably use the DA again and do a lot of hand sanding on this because of all these grooves. It's gonna be hard, and I don't know. I just feel like the sandblaster is just gonna tear right through the tape if I tape it off. So I don't want a chance messing up the sticker anymore because the sides are like really nice. Like this should just clean right off of it, but that's like the only bad spot right there. And that's really bad, but you know, it's way better than the other lid for that one, how that one was. So, you know, I'm just gonna sandblast, or not sandblast this, and sandblast this stuff. And then this is pretty good already. This is brand new. So I don't know, to get it to match, I guess I'd just scuff it just a little bit and just spray over it. And then same with this one, like the lid. That's the worst spot. This side's perfect. So I don't know, I'll have to look for some Sharpie markers that are colored or something like that to try and cover it in. And then I'll just hand sand this. And yeah, so I gotta get this apart, and then I'm gonna put this on top of this and then put the motor on it. Or maybe just put the motor on top of that, but that's how I'm gonna paint it all together like that. So I'm gonna finish taking that apart and get it all sandblasted, and then I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Alright guys, I finished putting the motor on it and stuff. So what I did was I unbolted this plate from this, just so it'd be so much easier to get in there, and then I don't have to worry about like trying to spray too much, trying to get like this side and that side and having runs. It's just gonna be so much easier to paint like this, where I could just, you know, spray it. So this is how it's gonna be, and I just gotta find one more used spark plug to put in the hole, because if I can't find spark plugs for it, I at least want to keep these ones. I mean, they are really bad, but if I could clean them up, and might just have to stick with them. But it'd be really nice to find new spark plugs, but I just want to put some junk ones in there. So I gotta try and find another one for that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then I'm gonna sandblast it, and then you guys will see it when it's ready. Alright guys, so I got the other stuff sandblasted. Now it's time to tape this stuff off so I can get it ready and just paint it all. So I'm gonna start taping this off and get it all ready for paint. Alright guys, so I got the cover and this piece all taped off, and everywhere around the cover. And it's ready to be sandblasted now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. But the chrome piece is kind of peeling up right there, so might have to put a little bit of glue on that or something. But time to sandblast it and get it all painted. Alright guys, so I got everything sandblasted down here, and it might be, you know, a little bit before I can paint it or something. I don't know. I just gotta find a time that I can use the shop and use the paint gun and stuff, but at least it's all ready to be painted. So Now I gotta take the motor off of here and make a little cardboard plate or something, because this is gonna be, you know, a high temp heat black. But that's just all gonna be the same black. So it's all ready. And then here's the gas tank, and looks like it turned out really good. So now I gotta take the tape off of there and clean up the gas cap and get that back on there, and then that'll be all done. So I'm gonna unload this stuff, and then I ordered pistons for this, so I should have everything for the motor coming. I just don't know when they're gonna be here, and so I got time to get it painted, so I'll try and get that figured out and get this painted, so then I can get it back together and looking like that one over there. So here's the first step done. Now to wait to get painted. Hopefully it doesn't take too long though. I don't see it taking too long. It just started getting really humid out, which sucks, but it is what it is. I'll just have to find a good day to paint on, so till that day comes. Alright, so here's a little closer look at the gas tank since I finished it. I cleaned up the gas cap, made it all nice and shiny. Cleaned this thing up a little bit. I painted this black and painted the whole tank a nice fresh coat of let's see, what color was that exactly? It was New Holland red. What was that one? And it turned out really nice. You can hardly see the runs. I mean, I'll take it. It looks really good. It looks way better than before. And I'll show you guys a picture of before. If I can add it, you'll see it right now. And then after, how much better it looks. And yeah, so now we just got this motor left. And I gotta scuff this up because I'm gonna paint this, because most likely the black won't exactly be the same as this. So just take a Scotch pad, scuff that up, and just wait for paint. So there you guys have it.